Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download apps on laptop and PC Windows. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to Microsoft Store. You will have in your bar here and you can click, and then here appears many apps that you can download. Some of them are free and some of them have a price. So if you want to looking for an app, for example, here you can check Tubi TV. You can click here on the app. This is completely free as you can see, and then you can install this app, download and install in your computer. So just click here on the blue button and this app will be installed to your Windows. If you want to install another app, you can do it the same. For example, let's click here and then just click on download and install. The app will install in your computer without any problem. So that's the way to install and download apps for Windows or for your PC or laptop. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.